Hello students, welcome to the class 11th microeconomics chapter 2nd consumers equilibrium, in which we have already discussed about the consumers equilibrium. What is consumers equilibrium, its meaning and concepts, what is utility, what is total utility, what is marginal utility. Today we will discuss about the law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility, you know that according to law of DMU, as consumer consumes more and more units of a commodity, marginal utility derived from additional unit goes on falling. You can clarify this definition with the help of an example. This example, that you are hungry and you are going to consume bread. As you have consumed first bread, your the utility derived from first bread is more, and just after consuming one bread, you are consuming second bread. The second bread's utility in comparison to the first bread's utility will low. Why it is so? Because as you have consumed one bread, you have got satisfaction. Your hungriness has been decreased. That is why the utility of second bread has been decreased, deprived. This is called law of diminishing utility. You can follow this law on the basis of certain assumptions. What are these assumptions? Number one assumption, cardinal measurement of utility. You have to assume that while you are considering the law of diminishing marginal utility, you will measure the utility in terms of cardinal measurement. And second one, the standard unit of measurement. The measurement unit of the utility must be the same and standard, that is in utils. It should not differ. And third assumptions, continuous consumption. That is, as you are going to consume a particular commodity, you have to consume it continuously. That is, as you have consumed one bread in the morning and you are going to consume second bread in the evening, it will not be considered. One by one, just after finishing the first bread, you have to consume the second bread. Then only this law will apply. And the fourth one, marginal utility of rupee remains constant. And fifth one, fixed income and price. These are the 5 assumptions which you have to assume while considering the law of diminishing marginal utility. We can clarify this law of diminishing marginal utility with the help of a diagram and table. Here is the diagram. Then this is the case of law of diminishing marginal utility. As more and more of a particular commodity is going to consume, its utility is going to decrease. So, in this way, we can prove that if a consumer is going to consume more and more of a particular commodity, its utility, successive utility will decrease one by one. This is the law of diminishing marginal utility. Next day we will consider relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Consider today first relation: as long as mu is positive, Tu increases. Mu is positive, Tu is going to increase. Second one, when mu is 0, Tu is maximum. Mu is 0, Tu is maximum and constant. And third one, when mu is negative, Tu decreases. Mu negative, Tu is going to decrease. And fourth one, total utility is summation of marginal utility. The total utility is the summation of marginal utility. And fifth one, mu curve is the slope of Tu curve. These are the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Now come to the exceptions to the law. We have to consider the exceptions to, there are certain exceptions to the law of this law of diminishing marginal utility. That is, under the above stated conditions, that is, law is deemed to be universal, but in certain cases it does not. In case of hobbies, this law of diminishing marginal utility will not apply, as more and more of a particular commodity, if it is in hobby getting or increasing, its utility will not decrease. In case of drunkards drunkard will get more and more utility if he is going to take more and more packs of wine. In case of misers, as he is getting more and more of a rupee, then its utility will not decline. Then for music and poetry, in this case also DMU will not apply, and in case of reading habit, the law of DMU will not apply. These are the conditions of the and various aspects of the law of diminishing marginal utility. Next day we will consider conditions of consumer's equilibrium in case of single commodity and in case of two commodity. Rest is well. Thank you.